Hello, I want to show you today this cute crochet kit that I found at Barnes & Noble's. It's $9.99 for the price. You can also find it on hinkler.com. That's a website that looks like it's based out of Australia. And then I also found this on Amazon for $14.40. Now this is a really cute crochet kit which kind of works with the title, and it has everything you need to make 3 adorable projects. And I thought this was kind of a nice surprise because I had never heard of this one before. I didn't go to Barnes & Noble looking for a crochet kit, but was really excited to stumble across this one. It wasn't with all of the other crochet books. It was kind of over in the clearance section, but I thought, well, let's take it home, unbox it, and see what we can come across in here. As you can see, I've got the box open. I wanted to pull everything out on camera, but I had to physically tear this box apart to get the products out of it. Everything is out, and we'll go through that next, but one thing to keep in mind, it is a struggle to get everything out of the box. So here we have the yarn, and it's kind of in a little plastic tray attached to this cardboard piece. And the yarn seems okay. Usually I don't make the projects out of all of the yarn that they provide. I use my own. And then a lot of times I like to keep this around for little scrap things, little details to add on to an amigurumi I'm making. So it doesn't go to waste. I just usually don't use it for whatever projects the kit comes with. And so just a variety of colors. And a 3.0 millimeter crochet hook. And so that's everything in this little area, and then I'll show you the next 2 items. Here we have a bag of stuffing for our project, and then we've got the book. And let's take a look at everything inside the book. Alright, so we're going to go through the book and just get an idea of how the patterns are laid out and what all the book has to offer. So it looks like everything is bright, colorful. We've got the getting started section, table of contents, terminology, symbols. Everything is, looks really nice. Okay, we've got our beautiful bee and lots of pictures to help us kind of go through the process of making it. Same with the bunny. And those look really nice. And we've got our owl, our super snail, lots of really nice pictures. We got our chicken and egg. Okay, I didn't even realize this one was in here. I didn't see this one on the packaging, but it did say that they had another project in here. So we've also got a whale, and then a little section about the author. So it looks like you get a total of 6 projects, and that's not too bad with everything it comes with for $9.99. And so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make one of the projects up and let you get an idea of how big it is and what a finished product looks like. Here we have the completed whale. Now I did use a crochet hook that was 3.25 millimeters instead of the 3.0 millimeter crochet hook it came with. And I did that because of the ergonomic handle that I have on mine, and I don't have one with the 3.0 hook, so I just went up just a little bit more. And so this is just a little bit bigger than what it would be with the original hook from the kit. And then I wanted to go over and show some things I found while working through the book. So now that I got a chance to work through one of the patterns, I kind of wanted to point out some of what I consider pros and cons to working with the pattern. Some of the pros are there are what's considered handy hints during each pattern, where it gives you an idea of turning your whale into a narwhal, so you get even more of an option with some of these patterns just to give more things to do, and I like that. There's a lot of photos as far as walking you through each step, and the other thing I like is how it's broken up so you could work through step 6, step 7, so it kind of really keeps you on track. And then as far as the actual pattern, I did find it easy to follow. I didn't have any issues. So that worked out really well. One of the cons that I came across, though, was there's no actual stitch count at the end of any of the rows. So if you're really trying to keep track of your beginning and ends, I recommend a stitch marker because you're just following a repeating pattern all the way to the end. So that was one kind of thing that I'd never come across in a pattern before, where you didn't get how many stitches were at the end of a row. The other thing I noticed, and this isn't either a pro or a con, but the patterns are actually shown to work what's considered the wrong side. So if you get a good look at the little Easter chick, or the little chick, you can see that it's the wrong side of the pattern that ends up being the finished side. And that's, you know, something some people prefer. So if you like that side better when your product is complete, then you would just be able to follow just as they're doing. Otherwise you just flip the stitches, kind of just turn everything back around and keep going. And then the last thing is, I did see that there is a deluxe edition for this kit, and I didn't get to see what all the other products were in the kit, but it does look like it's got a few more patterns, and the box is just a little bit laid out different. So that is my overall walkthrough of this crochet kit. I do really think it's a nice one for the price, and I would recommend it. It's just, you know, some things are a little differently laid out with this one, but that doesn't make it a bad kit, just makes it a little different, and I found that I could work through everything. If you have any questions or anything you want to ask about this, just leave a question in the comment, or if you're interested in getting this one, let me know. I'd like to hear from you. So I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thank you so much.